from Lata Mangeshkar to Shreya Ghoshal, from Mohammed Rafi to Arjit Singh. India has one of the busiest music industries of Asia. This face of India changed soon after the extremist right-wing Narendra Modi came into power. The worst hit were the Muslim singers from Pakistan. Ghulam Ali and Rahat Fateh Ali Khan were maltreated by RSS mobs from time to time during their visits. Ill treatment of Pakistani singers couldn't hit the headlines, but on 27th of September 2017, in the village of Dantal, Rajasthan, near India-Pakistan border, Ahmed Khan was brutally killed by a Hindu mob which was enticed by a priest. Worse is still to come. The headline of an India Daily tells the story of poor Rajasthani Muslims. Muslim singers' murder in Rajasthan evokes Muslim exodus from village. India's track record against minorities has never been good, but when a performer is killed in the name of religion, it speaks of something more about it. India is getting violent day by day and minute by minute as we speak now.